Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today's demonstration is going to be on an Akai CR-80D. This comes from Jason in Highlands, New Jersey, and we're just doing a quick test before we ship it back, make sure everything's working. One thing I like about these Akais is you can have the capstan turning. Once you've got the power turned on, you can go ahead and get that motor and capstan turning by pressing the play button, and that way when you pull your tape in, it starts playing like immediately without having to ramp up the speed and stuff like that. So now there is one unusual aspect to this particular video, is the track 1 and 2 indicator lamps are out. I've got them on order and I will replace them before I ship it out. Other than that, that's the only thing that's still wrong with the unit. She's ready to demonstrate as far as the sound quality and operationability is concerned. Let's go ahead and pop in some Bonanza guitars. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Take a quick look at our output level meters, make sure we're getting output on both sides, which of course we are. Okay, switch tracks a few more times, and as I mentioned before, 1 and 2 are not lighting up right now. And there's program 2. That is some cool music, isn't it? Okay, we'll be right at the end of the song there. I just heard the last bit of the fade out. So we're either going to switch from track 4 to track 1 or go on to the next song. Next song is the lucky winner. Okay, so we're running through the tracks one more time. And you can see that the meters, the VU meters, are moving a little bit. Of course, these are the recording level controls. Although it says right volume and left volume, they're actually the recording level controls. They have no effect on playback. Okay, switch tracks a few more times. It's track 1, not lit. Track 2, not lit. That was a quick test. So there's not much to test on a standard repair job. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. See if I can find myself here. There we are. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and my faithful companion Einstein right back here, who monitors my performance. If you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. I also do FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, digital capability now, and God knows what else by the time you send your unit in for service. My website is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.